Yeah. Wow. YouTube. Yeah. Whatever. Well, I did come up with another project. So I guess I'm not done finished. That's a good sign, I guess. Last week or so, I acquired a hauling truck, a little bit of a hauler. We're going to see what happens and play with it and see what takes place. Try this out here. Yeah. It's a relatively decent piece of equipment, really. Picked him up. Process of a couple things here. It's not great, but it's all right. I got the phone the castle. Ouch. There's your aged, tired, this and that. And it has a 6.9. I already did the starter. I got a master cylinder waiting for it. The history on it, it's been sitting a while. I'm going to do some more tires on it. I did some tires on it. Get home. So, the other side. It's a little bit of work. It's going to be rough to do, but we'll see what we can do. So, I got something going, I guess. I love to tinker and mess and play and everything else. You know, from my other videos, I'm sure you picked that up. Okay, well, for the next video, doing all kind of things. The weather is starting to straighten out. Kind of hit and miss, but we're getting there. We changed our clocks this weekend. So, just as a reminder to everyone. And thanks for viewing. Have a good one.